Recording. Have you start the recording? Okay, 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 okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay,
Today I am first.
okay. I shall I start the session?
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
I
okay,
want to.
okay, you can start, sir.
I want today.
Uh,
I will I will present my first.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, thank you.
okay, okay. Oh, okay, okay. Start, start.
Okay, sir. At first, I shared my screen.
Okay, okay.
Can you see?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, sir. Today's session, fifth session are going. First one is free time and my culture. Second one about good health and well-being. Okay, now I am start in first one. Now time is 5:12. Rabbani sir, please count down our time.
Okay, okay.
Okay, welcome to our jointly session to India and Bangladesh collaboration session. We are in three partners in a group. Today's our topic free time and my culture and about good health and well-being in SDGs 3. So part 1 free time and culture talk about hobbies at first topic. My hobby is traveling and enjoying Bangla songs. Sir. I like traveling and I like different visitors places in Bangladesh and in abroad. This is peak in Bangladeshi sea beach in Cox's Bazar. This year in January, I will go there and I visited many places there. Second thing, free time. My free time, I will decorate my home and watching TV news and I making some PowerPoint classes for my students. Next topic, music. What do you like me music? I like my music in my best singer and modern singer in Bangladesh, Sabina Yasmin, first one. Second pick in Runa Laila, and the third one Kumar Vishwajit. There are many singers in Bangladesh, but I like this singer, and there are modern singer in Bangladesh and folk singer. There are many folk singer in Bangladesh. Can you see my picture, sir?
Yeah, 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 yeah. We have seen some pictures of the singers.
Yes.
The first one is Abdul Rahman, then
Yes.
Rathindranath Roy,
Rathindra Roy, Farida
then
Parveen. Yes.
Parveen,
Firdausi
uh,
Begum.
Firdaus Rahman,
Yes.
then Shah Abdul Karim, Mumtaz Begum, Fakir Alamgir. Then we have Kanglani Sufia,
Kangali Sufia.
Sufia.
Yes.
Then Indra Mohan
Rajbongshi.
Rajbonshi,
Yes.
Sham Sundar Bai,
Hmm.
Karan Chandra Roy,
Yes.
Chandana Muzumdar,
Yes.
Salma Akhtar, and the last one is Vidit Lal Das.
Yes, sir. This is
They
folk.
are all folk singer.
Yes, they are all folk singer in Bangladesh. And next one, sir. What type of music I like? Always I like Bangla music because um, I don't understand any language. Um, so when I listening another language thing, I am not too much get interest. For this reason, always I like Bangla sing and I heard Bangla sing. Okay, sir. Next one. My hello, sir.
Yeah, we are online.
Country music, our um, different music, our Bengali cultural music, classic music, religion music, folk music, pop music, heavy metal, Bollywood music, everything. Different music are Bangladeshi. Bangladeshi men's, women's are and
What is that heavy metal music, ma'am?
band.
Band. Okay.
স্যার রবীন্দ্রসঙ্গীত, নজরুল গীতি, ফোক songs, আধুনিক গান and modern music and western music
Just upload करिए
Bangladesh folk music is great. The songs
सुजा ना उधर कुछ चुप ले तो बाहर टीवी देखते हैं क्या वो
composed on
डिस्टर्ब
the
कर रहे हैं
culture,
आवाज
festival,
जाता ना वहाँ
view of life, nature and social issues.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Next one. Already I this topic I will told my favorite my free time. In my spare time, I listen to music, decorate my home, and
Okay.
PowerPoint presentation, watches TV, and I sometimes I watch regularly. I watch the TV, but regular I watching TV in TV news.
Okay.
So next one, do you travel and where? Last year I will travel. I like traveling. I told you. Uh,
Yeah,
last
yeah, yeah.
year, last year I visited Nepal, some Nepali school and Nepali Darbar Mahal. This is second one picture, the Nepali Darbar Mahal, and first one is one Nepali school. Nepali mountain I visited and very different mandir different
Yeah, temples.
I will visit and this picture first one I mandir I will Pradeep. Do you know Pradeep?
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
in my hand in Pradeep, uh, and the second one is the Mandir, another Mandir in Nepal.
yeah. That we call it pagoda, madam, because there are too many temples of Buddha, and
Buddha, Buddhist
yeah. That is called pagoda.
pagoda.
For the Muslim, visited mosque, Hindu
Yes,
visited temple,
yes,
Buddhist visited
yes,
pagoda,
pagoda.
and Christian visited church.
Church.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. In Nepali, many visitors places are I visit. I will. We will visit. And next one in Bangladeshi Mosque, Choto Shona Mosque, in located in Nobganj in Bangladesh.
Okay. Chota Sonam Mosque, na?
Yes, Choto Shona Mosque.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah, that is a historical mosque, I think.
yes. Historical place, and this is very nice place. This is very
Ah,
nice and big mosque in Bangladesh.
oh,
This one, Kusumba Shahi Mosque. Yeah, this is Naranganj district in Bangladesh. It was built in 1558 to 1590.
Oh,
Kusumba,
it's
yes,
it's a historical.
yes, historical. This mosque named after the village of Kusumba. It was
Kushumba.
built, yes, Kusumba, near
Okay, okay.
Kusumba Shahid
Kushumba.
Mosque.
Okay, okay.
Okay, sir. Next one, our Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, 17 March 1920, 15 August in 1975, shorted as Sheikh Mujibur Rahman or Mujib, was a Bangladeshi politician and statesman. He is called the father of nation in Bangladesh. He served as the first president of Bangladesh and later as the Prime Minister of Bangladesh from 17 April 1971 until his uh, until 1975. He is considered to be the driving force behind the independence of Bangladesh. He is popularly with the title of Bangabandhu Friend of Bangali by the people of Bangladesh. He became a leading figure in the eventually of leader of the Awami League, founded in 1949 as a East Pakistan-based political party in Pakistan. Mujib is created as an important figure in effort to gain political autonomy and East Pakistan and later as the cultural figure behind the Bangladeshi Liberation Movement and the Bangladesh Liberation War in 1971. Thus, he is regarded as Jatir Janok or Jatir Pita. Jatir Janok or Jatir Pita both meaning father of the nation
Mhm.
of Bangladesh. His daughter Sheikh Hasina, he is the current leader of the
Yeah,
Awami League.
yeah, current.
Yes, current
She's the
leader of
current president of Bangladesh, na?
yes, and also
Mhm.
he is Prime Minister of Bangladesh now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Recently, Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, visited there
Yes,
in the
last
period of Bengal election.
yes, Bengal election.
She has offered a shawl to him.
Now, where have you been? Where you would like to go? I want to go in Makkah and Medina in my God
Madina.
home. Yes, and
Yeah,
another
yeah.
like and another visitors place I want to visit in USA in some museum and second picture is
Hmm.
second picture is
Statue of Liberty.
Statue of Liberty and third picture one sir
That,
Bermuda
yeah,
Triangle
it's
Bermuda
a
Triangle
the Burma Triangle.
yes
Hmm.
Bermuda Triangle. Now, Makkah and Medina, and I want to visit USA Museum, Bermuda Triangle, Statue of Liberty, and very different places. I want to visit there.
Okay, okay. I wish you best of luck. You have to fulfill your wish.
Thank you, sir.
Uh,
Then second one session, I go to first session is over. First session, free time and my culture. Now I discuss second one. about good health and well-being, SDGs 3. Sir, object ensure health and well-being for all, including a bold commitment and to end the epidemics of AIDS, malaria, and other communicable diseases by 2030. It also aims to achieve universal health coverage, to provide access to safe and effective medicine and vaccine for all. Target and indicators are on goal to show target and topic related to the Sustainable Development Goals as defined, ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. Sustainable Development Goal 3.6 to ensure health and well-being for all at every stage of life. It also calls for more research and development, increases health financing, and strengthens capacity of all countries in health risk reduction and management. Sustainable Development Goal indicators should be disaggregated where relevant by Goal 3 ensure healthy lives and promoted well-being for all at all ages. 3.1 by 2030 plans or SCP minister, mainstreamed as the priority or a target into nation. The current status, this study relevant clear evidence that national under 5 children and maternal mortality in Bangladesh had been gradually decreasing during the last 2.5 decades. The decreasing rate of these indicators suggests that it should be possible to achieve the national target of Sustainable Development Goal SDGs of Bangladesh by 2021. While it was observed that the prevalence in underweight, stunning and wasting among under 5 children was still high, these indicators have been slowly over time. The decreasing rate of these indicators displayed that without guided measure, the Bangladesh government would not able to achieve the target goal of child by 2000. Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Now we start our next topic.
Recording.
Yes.
Ma'am, just a minute. How we can get the recording from our mobile? Because it show that it's
18,
recorded.
18 or 19 minutes already we over.
Okay.
Okay. It is recommended that government as well as non-government health organization, NGOs and other policymakers should provide programs that are effective so that the national targets goals can be achieved by
Madam,
the
you have only 5 minutes left.
13. Yes, sir?
You have only 5 minutes.
Okay, you can continue, ma'am. Okay, don't worry.
Okay. Our findings should assist in the achievement of the national goals in Bangladesh regarding these health issues. Next one, sir. National and international NGOs. Bangladesh suffers from both an shortage of the geographical and male distribution and HRH, there are estimate 3.5 physician per 10,000 population and 1.7 nurses per 10,000 population. There is a sharp gap between Censionite and field health worker positions. 36 vacancy in sanctioned health worker position and only 32% of facilities have 75% more of the sanctioned staff working in the facilities. World Bank 2009. 28% treatment provided in government health facilities in through alternative medicine, yet as June 2011 there was a 50% vacancy rate for alternative medicine provides MOHFW. MOHFW means Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. 2011. Health workers are in urban secondary and tertiary hospital, although 70% of the population live in rural areas. Major challenges included an overly centralized health system, weak governance structure, and regulatory framework, weak management and industrial capacity in the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare MOHFW, fragment public service delivery, insufficient allocation of public resource, lack of regulation of the private sector, which employs 58 of all physicians, shortage,
त्याने केक पूर्ण सांडलाय बरं तिथं.
high
काय म्हणते?
turnover and
तू बनवतोय पद्धतीने.
absence of a health worker and poor maintenance of health
ते
facilities.
थोडं थोडं टाक वर्षा. म्हटलं ड्रायफ्रूट फक्त नॉर्मल टाक. म्हणजे टू मच नको करू.
International organizations are WHO, US, AID, Infants du Monde, World Lung Foundation, Sustainable Research Foundation, University of Melbourne, National Institute of Global Health, Carleton, Australia, Wilms Foundation, Netherlands. National organization, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare is in Bangladesh Government Ministry charged with health policy in Bangladesh. It is also responsible for all government programs relating to family planning in Bangladesh. Health Service Division is a Bangladesh government division under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare responsible and healthcare in Bangladesh. National organization SNAD Foundation Bangladesh started in January as a non-profitable non-government organization in Bangladesh in year 2008 to prevent all events.
Hello.
Hello, sir, I proceed.
Hello. I have to join, ma'am.
Yes.
Rabbani sir, where are you?
Don't know, but I part is in, then you will start your session. Already Rabbani sir will join with us.
Hello, I didn't hear you, ma'am, properly.
Sir, Rabbani sir, I will
Where is
message.
Rabbani sir?
I will message Rabbani sir. Please, you join. I hope
Okay, okay,
1 or 2 minutes he will join with us.
okay, okay. We will wait for him.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, yeah, I have to see it. There's a title of national organization.
Okay. This is the one national organization is working in Bangladesh. This organization empowering the women and children through education, skill development training, and being able to serve humanity by providing medical service as well as safe surgical care to be underprivileged. Then one national organization, UNDP Bangladesh, Public Health Foundation of Bangladesh, University of Dhaka, Bangladesh Public Health from Dhaka, Bangladesh, Siam Healthcare Foundation, Social Development Foundation, SDF, Upon Wellbeing Institute of Wellbeing, Sajeda Foundation, Unnayon Sangstha. This is the national organization in working health sector in Bangladesh, and already I will describe something in international organization in health sector working in our country. This is my part. Thank you for watching my uh, video. Now,
That's a nice presentation, ma'am.
yes, my presentation is uh, finished. Now I want to go to Patil sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am. This is our first session. Sorry, this is our fifth session. Hello, everybody.
Hello, hello.
This is our. Hmm, hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Okay. This is our fifth sessions. In this first sessions, we have to clear the cultural activities, or we have to share the cultural views with our co-partner, with Mr. Rabbani sir and Mrs. Shabana Mistry ma'am.
Shabnam
So
Ustari.
here are. Sorry. Shabnam.
Shabnam
Okay, okay,
Ustari,
okay.
sir. Shabnam
Okay.
Ustari.
Shabnam
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Mistry.
Carry on. Yes.
Okay. I'm so sorry. I didn't
Okay, no problem.
pronounce it properly. Okay. These sessions, for these sessions, I'm not prepared for such things, but I have to share about my view about my favorite time. As you see that you have to always listen the music. The same thing with me. I am also lover of the music. I like all kind of songs. Especially, I like the songs of Kishore Kumar, Lata Mangeshkar. I'm a really huge fan of Kishore Da, and I have to listen. Uh, I think that all kinds of Kishore Da, I have to listen it, and some are I have to just by heart. I just try to sing like him, but no one can sing like Kishore Da because Kishore Da is a Kishore. So about the kind of music, I am also like all kind of music, folk music, cultural music, then heavy metal that you call that the banjo party kind of music or the brass band and other kind of music. Even I also listen. But sometime whenever uh, some abhangas or we call it the kirtan, the devotional song, sometime I have to listen it and some we call it that kirtan we in English we can say that the philosophical lecturers sometimes have to listen rather than other things. I also like to share my view about the music. Music, it's connect with the people. The people of the whole world want to express their feeling through the singing a song or the listening song, or might be they can imagine that song is connected with them sometime because that is the power of music, and everyone knows, everyone's like the melodious music, everyone want to hear the melodious music whether you have a mood or you are not in a good mood. So I think so that. Hello, can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, sir. I hear you.
Okay, okay. For this fifth session, I'm not prepared, but I know the just summing up in short. I just want to discuss with such a point about the musics.
Yes, sir.
Then, which are the questions, ma'am, in this
Okay,
session?
sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I will.
Okay, you have to ask me a question and I'll
What
answer it.
what do you, sir, free time? What do you like
Yeah,
your free time?
yeah. In a free time, I like to read books,
Okay, sir.
and also I like to read books. Reading.
Do you like travel, sir? Where?
Yeah, 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 yeah. I like travel anywhere. Anywhere I like to travel. In a region, in a city, in a villages, even out of our state. Even that's my wish that I will visit. I already share such things with you about London, New York, Los Angeles, some kinds of city. I'm really fond of it, and I want to see in future if my some good things come in my sight. On that time, I'll prepare, and surely I promise you that one day I will visit one of the city here abroad. That's my view about the travel. But especially, I like cycling.
Yes, yes.
Hello.
Thank you, sir.
But the special thing I like cycling. I have
Okay,
my
sir.
own cycle.
I want a video. Your ride cycling.
Okay, 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 okay. I'll send you, ma'am. I will send you.
Okay.
Okay, because
Okay, thank you. Next one, sir. Where you would like to go there?
where I would like to go abroad.
Yes.
Yes, I already told that London, New York, Los Angeles. That is my final destination. I will visit there one day, and surely I will there.
When you like travel? When?
Yeah, in a winter season. In a winter season and a rainy season, I like to travel.
Okay, sir.
Because
First part will uh, your hobbies. You are telling me your hobbies is traveling and riding
yeah, yeah,
bicycle and
yeah,
you singing, listening, sing.
yeah,
Uh,
yeah, yeah.
yes. Okay. Then we are going to next topic in about good health and well-being, sir. Next topic,
About the good health.
good health.
About the good
SDGs
health.
3.
Good health.
SDGs 3. 3.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Three type.
About the good health.
Sir,
Everyone should about their health, but how we can think that because in our country, the populations of India it's around 130 crore, and among 130 crore people are about 30 crore people have not a proper food providing system. They have they always think about their two times meals. Then how we can provide a good health? But personally, if we think that for us we can maintain a good health. For maintaining the good health, you have to keep on diet, you have to get a good exercise, early in the morning or whenever you have time, you can go on walk. Walk is a good thing for the exercise because it's we can say it's a freelance. It's a freelance exercise. Anywhere, anytime, you can do it without any paying
Sir,
cost.
your country targets and present status health.
Yeah, yeah. My country, our country, India, has been trying to give a facility to the such people those are not getting the proper meal. So in a school, we have to provide a midday meal. That is the program started by World Health Organizations. Even also, it is connected with the international uh, organization. In India, we have a special budget, or we have to providing the free kind of rations with 5 rupees or 1 rupees kilos wheat. Such kinds of policies and programs the government the government has been started. It has been starting, but sometime the facility of government did not come the bottom of the line. That is the main issue, that the government did not fulfill, or the government did not complete their target to provide the good health to the last phase of the people. So we can say
Yes,
that.
sir.
But the
Your hygienic and sanitation how condition?
the hygiene conditions is that the same thing. I will also think that the India is the country of the biggest population in the world. It's come on the second number after China. But India is a developing country. It is not a developed country, but still India is fighting for such things. India also tried to provide a good health, good hygiene service, good medicine facility, and India has been trying. They are doing a good things also. For that part, they has also work with some NGOs. NGO also work in a such fields. We can say that the district management also provide some facility to the people, and the personal organizations also provide such a things to the poor people. But it such a problems. It's a, we call that is a never-ending problems for the biggest populations for the India. But keep, we are trying and we are hoping for the best that the India will take it for the such a problems, and where with our country, where with the whole world, that all the people should get the 2 times meal with a full stomach. That's our prayer to the God.
Okay, sir. The next one. What steps your government to improve for health and well-being?
Yeah, government providing na? Government providing, government has also started some kind of policies and programs, and they provide all kinds of things to the people. But until facilities the facility did not come at the end of the people, we can say that who is in a number last, they didn't get only just a drop of water, not a full ice. Those who are needed always suffering, but government are trying. And from our side, we have to do also serve the nations for such a things.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay,
Sir,
the next one.
tell some national and international NGOs who are working in your Pradesh or India
Yeah. In India, national and international India
organization.
and international organization also provide some facility. They are also doing a work for them. But sir, it's a never-ending problems. We think that again I say that it just happened because of the biggest populations of India. The main problem there. And the most of the part is belong to in a poverty line, below the poverty line. So that's the problem. But government tried. Government are doing their best to provide the facility to the peoples or the below poverty peoples.
Sir, your student are provide good health. Good
Yeah,
health
yeah, yeah. Yeah.
because they are
Uh,
poor.
yeah. In my schools, my students, we have to just give them a midday meals, and also their parents got some rationing system is also there. They also get some food from that store,
I think
some
Rabbani
kind of
sir
wheat, oil.
is electricity. I think Rabbani sir disconnected his
Yeah,
electricity.
yeah.
Yes,
Yeah,
he is
yeah.
not join your
Rabbani
session.
sir.
Yes.
Okay,
Now
okay.
what can we do?
Uh, yes, we have to sum up this session, fifth session.
Okay, because he is not join with us.
Hmm.
So now what can we do?
Yeah, we have to sum up
Our
these sessions now.
recording is stopped. Your part is finished. Your part is finished. Or
Okay, we will see that
could
he can share his view tomorrow also. After complete the session number 6, we will give you time. If you
okay.
say, okay.
Shall I?
Okay, Rabbani sir, start please.
Okay.
अरे मटेरियल तर तुमचं आणि माझं एकत्र झालं नव्हतं ना उद्या ते.
नाही नाही माझे
तर
काम
त्याला
करणार
विचार
Patil
हे
sir,
बोलून घ्या तुम्ही
what
त्याच्याशी.
is going
बरं, सरांना
on,
विचार
Patil
तुम्ही.
sir?
तू माझे काम
Hello?
करणार आहे मग
हा आता
So Patil sir, please unmute.
तुमची वस्तू हातला
What is going on, Patil sir? You are quarreling
अरे
with
मग
another
बाळाबाईचा
woman.
संबंध आहे
What is
तो.
the reason?
मी काय
Patil sir.
गळतोय चार आहे मरतोय मी काय दगड हे
आता-
की तू
मग तुमचे
ही तू भीक पाडली त्या
Mute,
बेंडाळ्याची
mute,
नामची तर
mute,
काही
please.
बांधत
Patil
नाही.
sir, mute, please.
Hello, Patil sir.
Yes, thank you.
Patil sir.
Thank you. Please, Rabbani sir, you start.
Okay. So once again, a very good afternoon to Shobnam from Bangladesh, and I'm Rabbani Sheikh sir from India. So a pleasure to attend this session. This is the 5th session, and today is SDG number 3, good health and well-being. So first point of this 5th session is the free time and your culture. So Shobnam, I just want to give you my free time. Whenever I got a leisure time, I used to read books. There are different kinds of books I love to read. I have just read the book of APJ Abdul Kalam's The Wings of Fire. It's really one of the what I think is going to be a thought-provoking for the youngster. That means how to deal with the problems. And another that is my Experiments with Truth by M.K. Gandhi. And I used to utilize my leisure time while singing. I really proud to tell you that on Star Maker I have 3,000 followers, and I have sung more than 200 songs on that Star Maker. This is my leisure time. I used to sing, and my culture, our culture is that being a Muslim, belong to the Muslim community family. We Indians are really proud to be different cultures in our locality, in our society. In India, there are you have heard that there are different types of caste peoples are living in India. Hindu, Muslim, Jain, Sikh, Isai, and all the others are subcaste. Are so many subcastes. Well, there are more than 200 subcastes in India. So pleasure to be celebrate all the different kinds of festivals in India. We Muslims celebrate 2 big Eids, and Eid ul-Fitr and Eid ul-Azha. And then when Muslims celebrating these festivals, other than non-Muslim people celebrate Deepavali and Dashera, and there are lots of more festivals are there in India. So our culture is that we really respect others people also. Being the Muslim, we used to do the pardas to the other persons belongs to the other culture. Our culture is that we are so proud to be that means belong to the country of India. Now talk about second topic, point is that talk about hobbies. I already told you that my hobby is that playing cricket, singing songs, listening Bollywood music, and again reading the books. This is my hobby. So what you like to do in your free time? I like to do in my free time. I used to sing a song. Singing is my hobby and is my habit. And when I get a leisure time, I used to utilize by playing cricket with my child, with my kids. So, what type of music do you like? I like Sufi music, Sufism. Another, then we have folk music also, cultural music, and then Western music, and especially Bollywood music. I just want to give you one example of Sufi music. Shobnam,
Yes,
hello.
I hear you.
Okay, so do you want to listen Sufism music, little bit a song of Sufism?
This session is last. I want to hear you. Want to hear Sufi music. You sing Sufi music.
Okay, Sufi song. Sufism
song,
is a song. Yeah, so that belongs to the Sufism, and it belongs to the Muslim community also. That Kun Faikun. Fayakun, 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 Fayakun. जब कहीं भी कुछ नहीं था, तू ही था, तू ही था, तू ही था, तू जो सब में समाया, तू जो सब में समाया, मौला तू ही तो तू मौला. कुन फयकुन, कुन फयकुन, सदकल्लाहु अज़ीज़ुल अज़ीम, सदका रसूल. Or another that song of Sufism is from the movie Qurban, and it was really a fantastic song. That is हिम्मते अता कर वो मददगार मौला अली 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 मौला. आप ही हो कुव्वते परवरदिगार मौला अली मौला अली मौला अली मौला अली मौला अली. शाह बरदा शेर यज़दा जाफिदा तुम पे मौला अली मौला अली मौला अली मौला अली मौला अली मौला. So this is the Sufi song I used to sing.
Nice, excellent.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Shobnam. Thank you for praising me. Now another point is that is movie. So I already told you my favorite and my best movie is a creativity movie of Tare Zameen Par, because it shows the because I am a teacher. So again the topic is related with our teaching, and that movie really shows us that every child is special. So I like that one, and my favorite hero is none other than Shah Rukh Khan. I used to watch the movie of Shah Rukh also, but being the fan of Shah Rukh, I also like the movie of Amir Khan, because he is a creative man. He is what we call a complete man, and his movies really giving the message for the society. Now museum. Talking about the museum, I haven't go to the big museum of our country, India. I don't get a time now to go there. Inshallah, in future, if I get a chance, so I would like to visit to Salarjung Museum in Hyderabad. I have heard so many things about that, and one of the best museum in Mysore in Bangalore, Tipu Sultan Rahmatullah Alayhi. So there is another museum that shows the quality of India. My next topic is that cooking, etc. Oh my God, that is my favorite topic again. Cooking. I am not a very good cook, but I'm a very good foodie person. My favorite dish is chicken tandoori, and I used to cook also chicken tandoori because it is very easy, and I like chicken tandoori also. So cooking is my another point. Now, speaking honestly, Shobnam, in this lockdown period, I get so many time to spend with my family in the house also, and I used to prepare lots of
Chicken
food.
tandoori.
I prepare. Yeah, chicken tandoori. I like chicken because how we can make, first of all we have to bring chicken and the leg piece also. Then again the chest part of the chicken. Again we have to first pour that red chili, then garam masala, then another what we call chicken tandoori masala of Everest company. Then we have to pour some garlic and ginger paste. Then the chili paste again. Another we have to mix up very well. We have to pour again that we curd. Curd is very much important, and the lemon juice also. And we have to pour it, and we have to mix it very well, and we have to put it for marinate for 1 day, maximum 1 day. It shows the quality. It really very very good in taste if you cook it while you put that marinate chicken in freezer for 1 day. If you don't get a chance, you can marinate 2 to 3 hours, minimum 2 to 3 hours, because all that spices will pour into the part of a chicken. We have to make a cut piece of that chicken slice, that each and every part of spices will pour in it, and after getting marinate, so you can have roast or you can fry. That is my favorite chicken tandoori. So, do you travel? Yes, I love to travel because I am. That means when I was in 8th standard, now I used to attend boarding school for 3 years in Nasik, our district, and then after that I have completed my B.Ed also while traveling up and downs, making up and downs, and then my graduation, post graduation. I used to travel, and my favorite place is Bombay, Pune, Nagpur, and Hyderabad. I haven't been to Hyderabad. I went to Hyderabad for some training session, but I didn't get a chance to go there in Ramoji Film Studio. Shobnam, Hyderabad?
Yes, I know Hyderabad.
Hyderabad is a very
Bangladesh, every many restaurants have Hyderabad biryani. আর কো-
yeah. That is because they use lots of curd, and lots of curd used in biryani and chicken biryani, and it is a marvelous and fantastic. It is famous in the whole over the world. Hyderabadi biryani. We used to call it Hyderabadi biryani. So Hyderabad is one of my best place to travel, and I used to travel with the bus also, train also. By my new car Wagoner, I used to go with
You are not,
my family.
sir, you are not never come Bangladesh.
Inshallah, in future, if I get a chance, may Allah fulfill my desire. If I get a chance, I will come inshallah to Bangladesh, and I also invite you to do come to India, please. India is one of the best country in the world. You know very well, because we have so many
Yes.
different kinds of religious people are living in India. So that is the beauty of India. Each and every important part of India we get here only. There are different kinds of cultures also. Food peoples are different kinds of food, and India is a very beautiful country. So do come. I invite you, Shobnam. Please come to India whenever you get a chance.
Thank you. I
Uh,
I hope that
now,
I visit
yeah.
your Maharashtra.
Yeah, definitely you do come to Maharashtra whenever you get a chance to come to Calcutta. Please come to Maharashtra. I
Okay,
invite you
visit.
to
I
with your family.
already I visit Calcutta, Bombay, Taj Mahal, and Goa Sea Beach. Already I
Wow. That means you really travel very well, because I haven't traveled out of India, but I traveled to Taj Mahal also, Delhi, and that again Mumbai is a very good places to travel. In Mumbai also, we get a different chances to travel. Now, where have you been? Where you would like to go? I already that means mention you, Shobnam, because my that means my destination is of course Makkah and Medina. Every Muslim's destination is that. But apart from that, I used to travel to go to different holy places. For example, the tomb of Hazrat Ali, then Sahaba Ikram, Shobnam, then Imam Hussain, Imam Hassan in Karbala, and different kinds of then Cairo in Egypt. In Egypt,
yes.
in Egypt also there are so many Muslims that are our Nabi Isa alayhi salam, Musa alayhi salam.
Yes.
Then all the different Nabis have been buried in different places in all over the world. So my aim is that I should go there. And now latestly, Masjid Aqsa in Jerusalem.
Yes.
So in what happened in Jerusalem in Masjid Aqsa, my desire is that I should go there. It's my pleasure to go there if I get a chance. Then the tomb of Hazrat Ali, Imam Hussain, the Karbala. I used to go to see the different places of holy places only. I like that. I don't want to go monuments and that like a Taj Mahal and all these things, because I know the importance of, they are very much important. But what I think, it's my personal vision, that I'm very much fond of history also. But history of what? History of our Muslim people, our legend, our people, our Sahaba Ikram, our Awliya Ikram. So I would like to go there. Why or why not? Yeah, yes. It's my pleasure if I get a chance, Shobnam, to travel to abroad. And I also already mentioned that point. I invite you to do come to India. If you come to India in Maharashtra, I will, inshallah, I will show you different place. One of the very great place in Aurangabad. Have you heard the name of Aurangabad
No,
in
sir.
Maharashtra?
Aurangabad. Yes, Aurangabad. Yes, I know.
Aurangabad is a very place near Aurangabad, 20 kilometer. There is a place called Khultabad. Khulda means what? Jannat. That means also that paradise, Jannat. तो
Wow.
1,24,000 sorry 1400 पालकी of Awliya Ikram, that the Wali Allah has came there in Khultabad.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I hope that I will visit. I hope that.
You travel. I told you, I like to mention the history, that for example, if I travel to for example Karbala, if I travel to Karbala, so why I travel Karbala? Because the in Hindi it shows that
Karbala is an important
in Muharram we Muslim people, because we that the sacrifice of the life of Imam Hussein. So that means the nephew of, that means the grandson of our Preshit, our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, peace be upon him. So their granddaughter, grandson, Imam Hussein, Imam Hassan, sacrificed their life for the sake of our Muslim people. So that is the important part of our Karbala. I used to go there, Karbala. Inshallah, in future, I get a chance, I go there. I will write down. Why I travel here, what is the importance of that place, and while traveling, I have to mention the points. So where do I travel? How much kilometer is away from our home? What is the importance of this place? So this is my what we call. So now I just want to switch on to our next topic, that is the SDG, sustainable goal number 3, good health and well-being. Now, Shobnam, good health, as we know in English, that empty minds dwells, the empty body sounds. Whenever you get a very good physical body, if your mind is free, so you will get a very good body. If your mind is not free, so you will not get that important. Now,
Yes.
see, now Shobnam, see, in our India, there are what we called in SDG 3, we have 13 target and 28 indicators are there in this session, 5th, good health and well-being. So by 2030, so reduce the global maternal proportionality ratio to less than 70% in 1 lakh live birth. So what we say, that means birth and death is a part of our human life. How many people are born in each and every day, in each minute, in each hour, in each second, and how many people are dying now in each hours, in each day, and every minute and every seconds. It's very much important. The ratio varies now. So in India, you can have that so many road injuries and death are happening, and so many people die in road accidents while traveling in four-wheeler or two-wheeler. They are very careless people. They are not caring about their life. An accident happened and they lost their important life. So another aspect, that means good health and well-being, is another point, is that family planning. Family planning is very much important. But we Muslim people don't believe in this thing, because we Muslims have lots of children in our locality, because in our religion, we consider family planning is not good in our Muslim people. So that is the another point. 6. So again, another point is that sexual and reproductive, what we call care. There should be a care in sexuality. Now, as we say that, Shobnam, in our country or in the world, everybody says that we got the freedom. Women are getting more superior than men. But to be speaking honestly, in the late night, a single woman can't go out without any escort. Are you agree with me, Shobnam? Hello, Shobnam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I heard you. Yeah. Shukir, hello, sir.
So, are you agree with me, Shobnam?
Yes, yes, yes. I agree with you.
Is it correct now?
Yes, sir.
Is it? Because you are a woman, but in late night at 11 p.m. in the night, you can't go
Outside. Yes, sir. Yes.
alone.
Hello. Hello.
Think that nowadays in India, solution. As we talk that women are getting very free, they are very got a freedom, women are superior to men. It is correct, I accept it. But even though you can't go outside in the
Yes.
late night,
Yes, sir. Yes,
same condition in our country also.
yes,
So
sir.
this is where now another point is that reduce illness, because if you give lots of good medicine, lots of good health to your people, so the death ratio will decrease. Nowadays you can see that due to the corona and covid-19, every important people are that means losing their life due to the lack of remedies and lack of medicines.
Yes, yes.
So our country, our prime minister or our resource persons, our important person should look over this. They have to reduce the illness, when then and then only it will going to be a good health and well-being.
Yes, sir.
Another point is that the education awareness. In our country, the literacy chart is very much low. People are not giving more important to education. They think that business and other things are more important than education.
Yes, sir.
Why we can't educate? Because why we can study? Because we don't get any good job. We don't get any
Hey, yes,
reasonable point. So that is another important aspect of our
yes.
country or your country also, because we are sailing in a same boat.
Same, same.
Even though in your country also you are also facing the same problem,
Yes,
because
sir. Yes.
nowadays
Educated.
education is
Yes.
education is most important. Because now Shobnam, you belongs to Bangladesh, I belongs to India. Why we are talking? Because of education only.
Yes.
If you're not well educated, if I am not well educated, we will not be here with.
Yes, yes, sir.
So death ratio and hazardous chemical pollutions. Now you have seen that there are so many deaths due to the bad pollution. There are so many pollutions are there, different types of pollutions, and that pollutions already kills the human being. Because if your big factories, the chimneys poured out there, all we got fog and smoke, and that is very injurious to health. While we are not getting a fresh air, so that is the important aspect also, and we have to overcome with this point. Another point is that tobacco control. Now alcohol, tobacco, drugs, and all these things are very much nowadays the young generation are very fond of that. Young generation used to smoke, used to drink, and
Yes.
used to eat tobacco. You know tobacco?
No, sir. No, sir.
Tobacco, that means chuna and tobacco, and there's that means they're rubbing and they're eating the tobacco. You know that Sholay picture? Have you seen Sholay movie?
No, sir.
Sholay movie, Amitabh Bachchan, Gabbar Singh का नाम
Yes,
सुना है
yes.
आपने? नहीं?
Yeah, yes. Gabbar Singh, I know.
Yeah, now see.
Amitabh Bachchan, I
Chik mein, din You're getting me? Hello?
Hello, hello, sir.
हाँ, सुने आ रहा है क्या आपको? Are you listening?
Yes, yes. I want to hear you.
हाँ, तो डायलॉग गब्बर सिंह का डायलॉग सुने आपने? कैसा? कितने आदमी थे?
No,
Huh?
sir. No, sir.
No, okay, sorry,
But,
Kodan.
yes.
Acha, another point in that, that smoking, that smuggling, alcoholic, drunkard.
Sir, another point
Ah.
may be what step your government to improve for good health and well-being. And next one,
I'm coming.
tell something
I'm
national
coming.
and international
No,
organization.
no. Now see, Shobnam, this is the
Okay.
problem. I'm just that means recalling you the problem, and then I will give you the remedies on this problem. So what our country is going to help to overcome with this problem, I will going to mention you afterwards. I'm just recalling you the problem, and then I will give the solution. Okay.
Okay.
Alcoholic drunkard. You know there are so many people who used to drink alcohol. You know daru pina. You know Shobnam.
Yes. Drink.
In your Bangladesh also there are so many people used to drink
No.
alcohol.
Only in my capital, some restaurants have drinks permitted, but another not permission.
Acha. Now increasing the health facility. Again, as you mentioned that what your government has done, our government has done local, national and international organization which are improved to do the health. One of the point is that Rajiv Gandhi Jeevan Dayi Yojana. In our India, one yojana is there, one scheme is there for this problem, that Rajiv Gandhi Jeevan Dayi Yojana. In this yojana, people are going to care a disease happening with this problem. They are suffering from the tobacco or alcohol, whatever may be the problem. This point, and this government is helping us. Another point is the Rajiv Gandhi Jeevan Dayi Apghat Bima Yojana. Whenever a people dies on road accident, so government will provide them 1 lakh, 2 lakh, it depend upon the LIC, you know, life insurance. Shobnam?
No, like
Hello.
insurance, LIC. I know.
Are you why are you making unmute all the time? Just listen to me what I'm talking to you, because we are the only two now talking.
Because my room my household worker is working.
Acha. Okay. So are you listening? Are you listening, Mina?
Yes, also.
Okay. Now see what our country provide the person, those who died on the road accident now. So our government provide them 1 lakh, 2 lakh, depend upon the insurance. Another point our government is giving that Ayushman Bharat Yojana. Now Ayushman Bharat means live lifelong. That means people should live lifelong. And Aam Aadmi Vima Yojana. So there are so many different kinds of yojanas are there in national level as well as international level. Our country is tie up with the another country. There are so many countries like America, Australia, England, and then Europe country. So they are tied up with that country about the good medicines, about the good health, about the money, and all these things which will going to help in our country. Now 45% decrease from 70 to death percent of 1000. Now due to all this awareness in our country, 70%, 78% of death ratio has been decreased in our country. This is the big achievement of our country, and all the people of our country, that means they are following all these things. So these are the point. And number of children dying under the age of 5 is very high, and 5.6 million in 2016. That means in 2016, death ratio of our children, that means women give birth to the little child now, so their ratio is decreasing nowadays, because due to that good health and due to the different technology of in medical field, due to that different technology of medical field, we get the lots of important aspect of our country. That is very much important. And in this way, we can upcoming to this point. So Shobnam, I just want to stop my session here. I have completed my session here with this information now.
Okay, thank you, sir. You get near about 30 minutes. You get.
Thank you, madam. Non-stop speaking with 30 minutes. Okay.
Okay, now I stop recording.